Hey foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are in for a treat because we'll be making the best Guyanese Pepper-pot Stuffed Bake. Listen, stop scrolling. This is more than just a bake. This is a whole Guyanese experience wrapped in this bake. Yes guys, Pepper-pot has entered the baked era. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. So here I have my lean ground meat. And I'm using beef, guys. You can use whatever you like. And I'm going to season it well. All right, and everything that I'm using here to season the beef will be in the description box. All right, I allow that to marinate for like an hour. Then I pour a little bit of oil to get my aromatics going, just a little bit. Then I add my thyme, some garlic, and followed by my ground mince. All right, after about 15 minutes, I add cinnamon stick, star spice, and of course my orange peel. I did add some cloved water. You don't want to put clove inside the mixture. You don't want to bite cloves when you're eating your bake. So you boil the clove in the water and you add some there. I'll leave everything in the description box. Taste and adjust, guys. Now it's pepper pot. You already know the oil is going to be there. So you can strain it out or use a paper towel to absorb all that oil. Remove the oil, the cinnamon sticks. And just because I am stuffing the bake, I run my emulsion blender over the meat just to soften it a little bit. I mean, not to soften it, like to give it that smoothish kind of texture. So now to make this amazing bake, yes guys, I'll leave everything. Look, this bake is so easy, so fluffy and flaky on the outside. I'll leave the description, the ingredients in the description box. So after you make the bake, you're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then you're gonna divide it into equal parts. Stuff the bake and let it rest again for an additional 10 minutes. I did do some of the bake the traditional way, and I stuffed some and I just fold it in half like when you're making a cocoa bread, and seal the edges with the fork. Now you're going to want your oil to be just about 280-ish because you don't want the outside to cook and the inside is raw. So take your time, pour your hot oil over the bake, allow it to puff up, then you turn it over and you do this the same. It is slow and steady here, guys. No rush, patience, and your bake is gonna be perfect. Now this is not skin bake where you can drop it and poof and it's done. This bake has body, it's meaty, it's thick like me, and it is super juicy. All right, and it's done, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this one. This was gone in seconds in my house. Like, where did the bake go? All right, so this is going to be our new favorite. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye-bye.